I love the smell of our French bread. It's an amazing thing. My grandfather moved to Chicago in 1958 because he wanted to keep his family together. He started making Italian bread because they missed the bread that they used to bake back in Italy. And they started baking bread for their neighbors, for their friends, and eventually started the bakery in 1962. What makes Turano bread special is that we take the time to make the bread like my grandfather baked it over 50 years ago. So we hearth bake the breads and we keep the ingredients as simple as possible.
The facility runs 24/7, 365 days a year, so production never stops. We bake all through the night so we could deliver fresh bread to the stores in the morning.
Jewels become synonymous with going to the grocery store. It's not going to the grocery store, it's going to your Jewels. We've been a proud partner for over 40 years, and we still get treated like we're part of the Jewel family.
I've been working for Turano for the last 45 years because it's the best bread around. It has a perfect hinge, a great bite, and the taste is unbelievable.
I'm most proud that we're able to carry the tradition that my grandfather started over 58 years ago. We're still in the same neighborhood, serving the same communities, and I know my grandfather would be proud of us.